Well, I ordered a Seneo fast wireless charger. Here's the model number. Ordered it off Amazon. Just showed up. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Review said it was good. Hopefully I don't regret buying it. There's the charger. Now this one I bought came with an adapter. The other ones for $19.99 or so didn't come with one. I would have got that one, but found out that my fast charger was broken. Here's the charger that it came with. Says it is a, can't see that I don't think, but it says it's a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Let's see, USB cable. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, no need to read that. Let's see, gonna plug it in real quick. Okay, here's the charger itself. Pretty sturdy. Super fancy, but the reviews were good. Now the phone I'm using is the only device that I have that is capable of wireless charging, so I can't test it and record. But here's just an unboxing, what it looks like. But yeah, it said it's compatible with the newer iPhones, iPhone 8, the iPhone X, whatever. I really don't keep up with Apple too much. But it's compatible with Samsung 8 series, the Galaxy S7, and it said the Galaxy S6 Edge. But yeah, quick unboxing. Techmaster 170 out.